Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Maria, and in today's video I am going to be doing my everyday makeup. And with that being said, my birthday is coming up in a couple of days. I am 24 going on 25. I am very excited. I know it's going to be a good year. I feel like every day is a blessing and I'm just excited to make the best out of every day. As for the content that I'm going to be providing for you guys on this channel, it's going to be beauty related, product reviews, spiritual insight, and a lot of other fun stuff. So hopefully you subscribe and stay tuned for the journey. Next video that I'm going to be dropping is probably going to be a birthday vlog or the product reviews that I got from Temu. I also posted a short saying that you could get a free gift if you signed up and recruited a few people, and thankfully I got the points that I needed and received a free gift. You can see the order has shipped, and I will be making a review on the products so that I can inform you if it's worth purchasing anything from this company. Yo, have you ever heard that sound that goes,
"A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts."
Man, I swear that'd be me. I feel like I'm always thinking about like spirituality or just, I don't know, it's like I be trying to figure out life. I feel like I've been called an idealist, or like I'm really into like psychology, so I feel like I focus most of my time on like relationships and improving them. Or just like improving myself. Yo, girl also been called a conspiracy theorist, but let me tell you, most of the things that I be preaching, like they end up kind of be true, so you know, maybe I'll make some videos on the type of topics that I'm talking about. Man, I don't know, for some reason, I feel like my accent or my voice be changing up out of nowhere. I'm just like, So if you notice that, like, and I don't know what to tell you. High-key, I'm glad that people have been putting out better non-copyright music, like R&B, hip-hop, and all of that. I'm here for it. If you're interested, I could put links down below where I find my music. Speaking of music, I feel like a lot of my favorite artists have been dropping new music, like J. Cole, Youngboy, Aaron May. I was actually listening to Youngboy's new album, but I feel like I don't really relate to his music anymore. Like, it's so aggressive. Like, I do like some of his songs, like Nevada, Make No Sense, Murder Business. Nah, but yeah, I do like his music. It's just, I feel like I've been vibing to more mellow stuff lately. Because I'll be putting on his music and I'll be getting angry, bro. Like, I'll be feeling the lyrics. That's why I be like more mindful of what I listen to. Because like, yeah, I mean, he got really good songs though, for sure. Like, they a vibe. But like I said, I don't really listen to him anymore. The music that I've been listening to as of recent is more like upcoming artists, like Bash for the World, Larry June. You know, they just gotta be pushing like a positive message for me to actually listen to their music. Let me get into my conspiracies. So, I know this is like a topic that is out there already, like it's been trending like on media, but I feel like I experienced this before it started trending. I remember I used to tell my homeboy, I was like, hey yo, I feel like I started experiencing a lot of songs that I would listen to like when I was younger, and I'm talking about like bar for bar. But then again, like across all types of religions, spirituality, or just like logically, a lot of people agree that there is power in what you speak, and like logical people say it's like affirmation, so like rewiring your mind, etc. Spiritual people know that it's like an energetic thing. A lot of people agree that music is very spiritual. I feel like since I was younger, I had an awareness of it, I just couldn't put it into words. Like, I remember one time I was with the same homeboy, and we were in the car, right? And I remember this old school song started playing on the radio. And I don't know how, but I started singing along word for word. Like, it was just flowing naturally. Like, I was in tune with that person. But I had never heard that song before in my life. Because I don't even be listening to the type of song that it was. Like, that type of genre that was playing. And he was shocked, bro. He was like, how are you doing that, bro? I ain't gonna lie. Bro looked kind of like creeped out. And I was just like, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I got like so many stories that I could talk about in regards to like surreal things or supernatural things. And like this goes back all the way to where like I was like 7 or 6. Like, I'm talking about like really, really young. I feel like nowadays a lot of people are aware of the things that I'm talking about, and I appreciate that because, yeah, I feel like I've come across a lot of people that have met me halfway in regards to like where I'm at in life. I just feel like, personally, I have a little bit of more inner work to do and just like get closer to God, make sure that I'm like mentally being in a better place. That way I could reciprocate better vibes, better love to other people. Because truly, I'm just trying to have a good time and, you know, create good memories. But yeah, I think I'm about to start wrapping up this video, and thank you for watching. If you made it this far, comment down a heart, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.
You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that could take your spot, my love.